film it up. You can if you want to. If you prefer to use, you want me to do it or you?
I'll do it.
Okay. Flip it. Hey. So. That's similar. 11:26. 11:24:98. 11:24:98. This one must. Guess that means they are both 1998. They must 99. 59.9. No. 501B. Flush read. Now it's gonna make a loud noise. You know, on the other one, at one time, this was spring. Why only the pen with your mouth?
You actually do this at the same time.
Oh, you're multitasking. Flushmate.com. Guess it's time to put it back on? It goes on like this. It's a bit wobbly, but that's how it's meant to be. It's not going to...
Have it stand here.
No, not yet, okay? Not yet, okay? No, I'm gonna get a view of it. It's a nice toilet, I think. Don't you think so?